Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy stocks right here on BlackBull Markets. If you want to buy stocks, it's very simple to do this because we go here to the search bar where we can search for symbols, and there we click this away and then we click here on stocks. And then right here you can find here all the stocks that you can trade. You can also select right here the country from the stocks. So let's say you want to trade stocks in my own country, in the Netherlands. You click right there on Netherlands and then you can find here all your stocks. Now we remove that and we want to create ourselves a position on Nvidia just to show you how to do that. And then what we're going to do right here is we go here to buy. Then select right here a limit order or select market where you can buy immediately a share. Select right here how many shares you want to buy. You can create yourself a take profit and a stop loss if you want to do that. So decide that for yourself. And then right now, if you click on buy by market, we can create ourselves a position for Nvidia. So now we click here on buy and now he is telling us that the market is closed. But this works exactly the same when the market is open. So make sure that you know how to set this order type up. And then when the market is open, that you click right there on buy. So this is how you can buy stocks right here on BlackBull Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.